everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this amazing Snap Circuits kit, a fun way to learn about electronics. The kit includes a base grid, over 30 electronic parts, and an easy to follow project manual. You can build over 100 exciting projects such as a flying saucer, alarms, doorbells, and much more. So let's get started. That's all for today's video. I really enjoyed building these circuits. The experiments were simple to set up and the results were super fun to see. The kit has a great variety of projects and is an amazing way to explore and learn about electronics. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!